Hello everyone, welcome to Lunyal classes. Students, today we are going to do the MCQ of class 9th Political Science chapter 1, What is democracy? Why democracy? In this video, you will find 35 MCQ questions. Each question has 4 options in which one option is correct. First, I will read the question and after few seconds I will tell you the answer. You will write the correct answer in your notebook and in the last of the video you will write your score. Okay, now let's start our video. Question 1. Who said these words? Democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. Option A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Nelson Mandela. C. Abraham Lincoln. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct option is C. Abraham Lincoln. Question 2. A democracy must be based on a free and fair election where those currently in power, option A, have a free chance of winning, B, have a fair chance of losing, C, cannot be removed from their seat, D, none of the above. Correct option is B, have a fair chance of losing. Question 3. In a democracy, each adult citizen must, option A, have one vote and each vote must have two values. B, have two vote and each vote must have one value. C, have one vote and each vote must have one value. D, all of the above. Correct option is C. Have one vote and each vote must have one value. Question 4. A democratic government rules within limits set by option A. The ruling government, B. The constitutional law, C. Citizens' right, D. Constitutional law and citizens' right. Correct option is D. Constitutional law and citizens' right. Question 5. The correct arguments against democracy is option A. Leaders keep changing in a democracy. This leads to instability. Option B. Democracy is all about competition and power play. There is no scope for morality. C. So many people have to be consulted in a democracy that leads to delay. Option D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question 6. The worst recorded famine in world history is option A. China's famine 1959 to 1961. B. Bengal famine 1943. C. Japanese famine. D. American famine. Correct option is A. China's famine. Question 7. General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup in option A. October 1990. B. October 1999. C. October 1991. D. October 1989. Correct option is B. October 1999. Question 8. It is an election where voters are asked to make a yes or no decision on a proposal. It is a definition of option A. Legal framework, B. Justice. C. Referendum. D. Censorship. Correct option is C. Referendum. Question 9. In Fiji, the electoral system is such that the vote of an indigenous Fiji has more value than that of option A. An African Fijian, B. An Chinese Fijian, C. An Pakistani Fijian, D. An Indian Fijian. Correct option is D. An Indian Fijian. Question 10. Estonia has made its citizenship rule in such a way that people belong to option A. African minority that find it difficult to get the right to vote. B. American minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. C. Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. D. All of the above. Correct option is C. Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. Question 11. Zimbabwe attained independence from white minority rule in option A. 1960, B. 1970, C. 1980, D. 1990. Correct option is C. 1980. Question 12. A democratic government is a better government because it is more option A. Effective form of government, B. Accountable form of government, C. Powerful form of government, D. None of the above. Correct option is accountable form of government. Question 13. Democracy provides a method. Option A. To build buildings, B. To remove poverty, C. To deal with differences and conflicts, D. All of the above. Correct option is C. To deal with differences and conflicts. Question 14. General Pervez Musharraf overthrew a democratically elected government and declared himself the option A. Prime Minister of the country, B. President of the country, C. Chief Executive of the country, D. Leader of the country. Correct option is C. Chief Executive of the country. Question 15. In August 2002, President Musharraf issued a legal framework order that option A. changed the policies of the country, B. amended the Constitution of Pakistan, C. declared him President of Pakistan, D. all of the above. Correct option is B. amended the Constitution of Pakistan. Question 16. The work of the civilian is supervised by the National Security Council, which is dominated by the option A. ministers, B. civil officers, C. military officers, D. all of the above. Correct option is military officers. Question 17. In China, elections are regularly held after every 5 years for electing the country's parliament, called Quango Renmin Dai Biaho Dahui. Option B, Renmin Quango Dai Biao Dahui. Option C, Dai Biao Quango Renmin Dahui. Option D, none of the above. Correct option is A, Quango Renmin Dai Biao Dahui. Question 18. The National People's Congress has nearly dash members elected from all over China. Option A, 2000, B, 3000, C, 4000, D, 5000. Correct option is B, 3000. Question 19. In China, before contesting elections, a candidate needs the approval. Option A, of the army, B, of the people, C, of the government, D, of the Chinese Communist Party. Correct option is D, of the Chinese Communist Party. Question 20. Since its independence in 1930, Mexico holds election after every option A, 4 years to elect its president, B, 5 years to elect its president, C, 6 years to elect its president, D, 7 years to elect its president. Correct option is C, 6 years to elect its president. Question 21. Until 2000, every election in Mexico was won by a party called option A, PRI, B, RIP, C, PIR, D, IRP. Correct option is A, PRI. Question 22. The rulers of Saudi Arabia not elected. Option A, by the people, B, by the army, C, because they happen to be born into a royal family, D, none of the above. Correct option is C, because they happen to be born into the royal family. Question 23. Democracy is better than other forms of government because it allows changes, B, it allows voting, C, it allows right to opinion, D, it allows us to correct its mistake. Correct option is D, it allows us to correct its mistake. Question 24. Some of the drawbacks of democracy is option A, instability and delays, B, corruption and hypocrisy, C, politicians fighting among themselves, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question 25. Which party has ruled Zimbabwe since its independence? Option A, ZANU-PF, B, United People's Party, C, Labour Economist and African Democrats, D, African People's Congress. Right option is A, ZANU-PF. Question 26. This is not a feature of monarchy, dictatorship or one-party rule. Option A, censorship of press, no opposition party or parties, C, citizens taking part in politics, D, one man rule? Correct option is C. Citizens taking part in politics. Question 27. Which of these is an example of perfect democracy? Option A, USA, B, India, C, United Kingdom, D, none of the above. Correct option is D, none of the above. Question 28. The most common form that democracy takes in our time is option A, limited democracy, B, representative democracy, C, maximum democracy, D, none of the above. Correct option is B, representative democracy. Question 29. How does democracy allows us to correct its own mistake? Option A, mistakes are hidden and cannot be corrected. B, re-elected the same government to enable it to correct its mistake. Option C, the rulers can be changed. D, none of the above. Correct option is C, the rulers can be changed. Question 30. Democracy improves the quality of decision making because option A, decisions are taken by the educated people. B, decisions are taken by the consultation and discussion. C, decisions are taken over a long period of time. D, all decisions are approved by judiciary. Correct option is B, decisions are taken by consultation and discussion. Question 31. A democratic government is better than a non-democratic government because option A, it may or may not be accountable. B, it always responds to the needs of the people. C, it is a more accountable form of government. D, none of the above. Correct option is C, it is a more accountable form of government. Question 32. What is constitutional law? Option A, provisions given in the constitution. B, law to make constitution. C, law to set up constituent assembly. D, none of the above. Correct option is A, provisions given in the constitution. Question 33. What kind of government is there in Myanmar? Option A, elected government. B, communist government. C, army rule. D, both B and C. Correct option is C, army rule. Question 34. Which organ of the government is required to protect the right of the citizen? Option A, executive. B, legislature. C, independent judiciary. D, police. Correct option is C, independent judiciary. Question 35. The word democracy comes from the Greek word. Option A, democratia. B, democratia. C, demos. D, kratia. Correct answer is B, democratia. Thank you. Thank you so much.